showing off that precision of his jet. Rolling the aircraft around into the inverted. Now watch as he comes back in, rolling the aircraft onto the top side. That outside turn, horrible, horrible negative G. Now the max rate turn at 360 degrees. He's pulling 9G all the way around in that turn. He's positioning the aircraft to get it back to the start point exactly where he started off. Double aileron roll, front turn. Now watch as he positions the aircraft back around, heading back into crowd center. Pushing the jet to max reheat. And then pitching up into the vertical again. Those canards working hard. Now as he comes out at the top of that, watch him pull off. Now back into the inverted. Another max rate turn, 360 degrees, pulling 9G in the turn. You can see those vapor trails beginning to form just before he goes into the corkscrew. Back towards crowd center. J200s. Close to 700 miles an hour. Vapor trails forming on the outside there. Pitches the aircraft up, goes into a barrel roll. Now watch as he pulls the aircraft back to idle. He's going to slow the jet down to 300 miles an hour. Pointing back towards the crowd, slowing all the way down to 130 miles an hour. Keep that nose up high before he brings the full burners back on and back up to 42,000 pounds of thrust. Now he's going to pitch the aircraft up into what's called a half Cuban, and then he's going to slam those throttles forward. Now slamming the throttle forward, aircraft down to about 300 feet. And a fast pass, 700 miles an hour. And get your cameras ready for the final maneuver. Keeping the jet low back. And at 500 miles an hour, he's going to point the aircraft right towards the tower. Pitch the aircraft into the vertical. And depart.